Hey, what's going on? Let's get right into it. All right, so everything was working fine, and then out of nowhere, people start complaining, hey, I can't print. Hey, this isn't working. And I'm like, what did y'all touch? So instead of guessing, let's actually figure this out because this is exactly what real troubleshooting looks like. You're not told what's broken, you're told what's not working. So this is the network right here. We got HR on this side, sales on this side, both connected through the router. Everything should be working. DHCP is good, IPs are being assigned, but clearly something's off. First thing I always do, I don't panic, I don't guess, I just test. Okay, so this person cannot connect to the printer. Let me check the PC. IP's there, gateway's there, so this machine looks fine. If I can't hit the gateway, we already got a bigger problem. Now let me try something else. Let me try pinging another PC. Okay, so that worked. So the network isn't completely broken, which is actually good because now I know it's something specific. Let's try pinging the printer. Of course, this always happens. Printers are always the problem. All right, so I'm thinking, did the printer die? Did someone unplug it? Or did someone mess with the IP? So first thing first, let's check the printer's IP. Yep, there it is. Somebody changed the IP. Now everyone's trying to reach the old address and it's not there anymore. So let's try to fix this now. Boom, back online. So yeah, first lesson, don't touch stuff and walk away. All right, let's keep going. This PC right here is not working at all. So now I'm thinking, is it the PC or is it the network? Let's check the IP configuration. Yeah, that does not look good. Let's try pinging the default gateway. This is pretty much telling me this might be a switch issue. So let's go to the switch and check all interfaces. Yep, port is down. Now this is where it gets real. In a lab, you might think, oh, I forgot to turn it on. But in the real world, this usually happens for a reason. Maybe someone shut it down for maintenance. Maybe there was an issue earlier. Maybe they were testing something and they just never brought it back up. So this isn't just a mistake. This is something you're actually going to run into. Let's fix this. No shutdown. And there you go. The port just came right back up. Let's check the IP configuration, make sure DHCP is working fine. And there it is. That's exactly what we want to see. Let's try another ping to the gateway. Perfect. Okay, now this one is interesting. Local ping works, remote ping fails. So the local works, but it can't go outside. That right there is a huge clue. Whenever I see this, I already know where I'm going. IP configuration. Yeah, wrong gateway. Now, this PC doesn't know where to send traffic outside its network. Let's fix this. And now we're good. It is a success. Look, this is what I want you to understand, okay? Troubleshooting isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It is about staying calm and thinking step by step. Because in real life, nobody's gonna tell you what's broken. You walk in and you figure it out. And that's the difference between just knowing commands and actually understanding network. Because things will break, and when they do, you gotta be the one that figures it out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.